In 1984, a team of scientists at Stanford University began a strange experiment. They wanted to study how the human brain reacts to pain. They expected fear, stress, or maybe even tears. But what they found shocked everyone. Some of the people being tested didn't panic at all. In fact, they said they felt good. It didn't make any sense. Pain is supposed to hurt, not bring comfort. So how could something that makes us scream also make us feel calm? The answer was hidden deep inside the human brain. And once they found it, they realized pain isn't what we think it is. The experiment was simple at first. Volunteers sat in a lab while scientists gave them tiny electric shocks. Each time, their brain activity was recorded using scanners. As the shocks grew stronger, the researchers expected pain signals to light up. But instead, another area of the brain came alive, the reward center. That's the same part of the brain that activates when we fall in love, win money, or eat our favorite food. The scientists were speechless. Was the brain confusing pain and pleasure? One researcher quietly said, "Maybe pain isn't meant to punish us. Maybe it's meant to prepare us." But the deeper they studied, the stranger it got. Because this wasn't just about physical pain. It connected to something far older and far more powerful. Later research revealed the real secret, a chemical called endorphin. Whenever we feel pain, our body releases endorphins to protect us. These endorphins numb the pain, and at the same time, they make us feel good. It's the body's way of saying, "You can survive this." That's why runners feel a high after pushing through exhaustion. It's why tattoos can become addictive, and why heartbreak sometimes feels strangely alive. Pain doesn't just hurt, it heals. But then came a question that no one could ignore. If pain can bring pleasure, can humans become addicted to it? A team of researchers in Japan decided to find out. They asked a group of volunteers to stay in mild discomfort for hours, heat, pressure, and isolation. Most people would have begged to stop, but something unexpected happened. When the experiment ended, many of them refused to leave. They said they felt calm, peaceful, even happy. Their brain scans told the same story. Pain no longer felt painful. It was releasing waves of endorphins that made them feel rewarded. The scientists named it the endorphin paradox. The very thing that was supposed to protect us from pain was making us enjoy it. And this paradox didn't just live in labs. It was written in human history. Long before modern science, ancient people already understood this strange truth. Tribes around the world practiced rituals that involved pain, scarification, fasting, walking on fire. To them, pain wasn't suffering, it was transformation. They believed pain opened the door to something higher, peace, clarity, or even connection with the divine. And now, thousands of years later, science confirms they were right. Those rituals triggered endorphins. They unlocked the same biological reward system modern scientists found in their labs. Maybe our ancestors didn't need machines to know it. They felt it. They knew that pain could make a person feel alive again. But not everyone uses this discovery for growth. Some people take it too far. When pleasure becomes dangerous today, this same brain wiring still controls us, even when we don't notice it. It's why some people chase thrill rides, dangerous sports, or even emotional pain. It's why heartbreak feels addictive, and why we sometimes repeat the same mistakes again and again. The brain doesn't care why it hurts. It only cares about the reward it gets after. When we're sad, lonely, or afraid, endorphins rush in to help us cope. And over time, that chemical comfort can become a craving. The truth is, some people don't just survive pain, they need it to feel alive. This is the dark side of the endorphin paradox. The same system that helps us grow can pull us into cycles of destruction. So scientists began to ask, if we can enjoy pain, what does that mean about who we really are? After years of research, scientists came to one powerful conclusion. Pain isn't just a warning signal, it's a teacher. It shapes how we think, how we act, and how we survive. It shows us what we care about and what we're strong enough to endure. Every scar, every heartbreak, every failure, all of it changes our chemistry, rewires our brain, and builds who we become. Pain makes us human. It connects us, strengthens us, and sometimes it even rewards us. Maybe that's why humans can face so much tragedy and still keep going.